Welcome to the Convolutional Neural Network Animation. CNNs are a specialized type of neural network, primarily used for analyzing visual data. They are inspired by the organization of the animal visual cortex. The core of a CNN is the convolutional layer. Here, a small filter, or kernel, slides across the input image, performing element-wise multiplications and summing the results to create a feature map, highlighting specific patterns like edges or textures. Following convolution, a pooling layer is often used to reduce the spatial dimensions of the feature maps, thus reducing computational cost and preventing overfitting. Max pooling, for example, takes the largest value from each window. Like other neural networks, CNNs use activation functions such as ReLU to introduce nonlinearity. This allows the network to learn more complex patterns that linear models cannot capture. Multiple convolutional and pooling layers are stacked to form a deep CNN. Each successive layer learns to extract high-level, more abstract features, building a hierarchical representation from simple edges to complex objects. Before the final classification, the 3D feature maps are flattened into a one-dimensional vector. This prepares the data to be fed into a traditional fully connected neural network. The flattened vector then passes through one or more fully connected layers. These layers perform high-level reasoning based on the extracted features and output the final predictions, such as classifying an image into categories. CNNs are trained using techniques like backpropagation and gradient descent. The network adjusts its filters and weights based on the error between its predictions and the true labels, iteratively improving its performance. Convolutional neural networks have revolutionized computer vision, leading to breakthroughs in image recognition, object detection, facial recognition, and medical image analysis, making them indispensable in today's AI landscape. In summary, CNNs leverage convolutional and pooling layers for hierarchical feature extraction, combined with activation functions and fully connected layers, to effectively process and understand visual data.